We have a great little sort of a science experiment that's coming up here. Every year, welcome back to Studio 10. Every year, millions of used tires are burned, buried, turned into swings, or just thrown into the dump.
But if our next guests have anything to say about it, old tires can be repurposed in such a way that will keep them out of our landfills and actually help the environment. Joining
us today to tell us how that can be done and how it is being done are Andrew McIntosh from the law firm of Fowler, Boggs Banker and Kevin Bognall of KB Industries. Welcome, gentlemen. And
thank you.
And of course, your law firm is all about going green.
We are. We've been focusing on the green initiative for a good long time now and working with clients in terms of assisting them, taking advantage of opportunities in the green industry, helping them adjust their business practices to be more green on a day-to-day basis. And within the firm, we also have adopted many green initiatives in terms of using recycled paper, moving more towards electronic filing so that we don't have as many files on site.
With the ultimate goal of that to be the paperless office?
Trying to get to the paperless office. I don't think it'll ever happen. I mean, lawyers and paper kind of go hand in hand. But we are moving in that direction, and it's making life more efficient for us. And we're doing all kinds of things within the firm as well, encouraging employees to be green in their day-to-day lives, right down to using the grocery bags, which are becoming very popular. And you can see the recycling symbol on.
This is the Fowler white grocery bag.
And but if you really want to learn a bit about recycling and building your business around recycling, the gentleman to my left is really going to tell us an excellent story about how he was able to develop a business that focused on recycling and at the same time is creating a product that is environmentally sensitive and something that is really going to make a big difference in our communities.
It looks like a big Rice Krispie treat that you've brought in here.
It does.
What in the heck is this thing?
Well, that's a mixture between rock and recycled passenger tires and a special binding agent.
And it looks like it would be spongy, but it isn't.
No, it's very robust. We've developed a product that has a definite use in the construction industry, from paving to erosion control to flat roofs to embankment protection and many other uses.
It looks almost like we have some countertop companies that come in. It looks almost like a granite countertop on TV, but if you look closely at it, it's very porous. And that's the whole point of this, other than the recycling the tires. It's tires and an agent, and it looks like some rock in there as well. And what is this used for?
Well, basically, what we did about 10 years ago, I recognized the problem within the tire recycling industry that there was not one big takeout product. That takeout product has to make sense. It has to have a commercial place, it has to have functionality, it has to do the job. And by the way, it's green. Okay, but the aforementioned is very, very important for it to have a place in a day-to-day construction business, and also solving urbanization, stormwater problems. That's where we're positioned as a corporation.
So this is used as highways and sidewalks and so forth. And how is it different from usually from the normal like concrete and asphalt?
Well, primarily we're there to be used where concrete or asphalt cannot perform. For example, where you need porosity, groundwater recharge, stormwater management, allowing that water to go back to groundwater recharge. And
concrete or asphalt don't do that, obviously.
You have impervious nature, and it's also coupled with urbanization growth. It is a big problem. It's a huge problem, not only based in the US, but worldwide. The only thing that changes is currency and language. So we're really there where the urbanization increase is constant. We're an answer. We're not the total solution. We are part of the solution for stormwater management in general terms.
We actually have a little demonstration that Andrew is going to participate in for us today. Let's grab this piece here. We're going to put it on top of this bowl. And Andrew, what is it that you're going to demonstrate to us here?
Well, actually, Kevin's going to demonstrate the porosity of the material.
Okay. And again, this is for the purpose of allowing the water to seep back down to become groundwater again.
Correct. This particular square foot here will actually take 2,000 gallons per hour.
In a square foot?
In 1 square foot, it will allow 2,000 gallons per hour.
So this would be great to use in areas that, go ahead and pour the water through, Kevin. This would be great to use in areas that see a lot of rainfall in a short period of time, like we see here locally on like Dale Mabry and so forth, and it will help eliminate the urban flooding problem. Boy, look at that.
Look at that.
It just goes right through. through. Now, so this also acts as a filter for the water, so once the water comes through, if it's got dirt in it, it goes back into the ground more cleanly, I would guess.
Yes, in part it does help that.
More cleanly.
Has many other functions within it also. It's diffusing water for us, so they can be used in the erosion control market.
Andrew, show us just how clean that water is.
Oh wait, he's gonna dip
Are
in
you
there.
okay with this?
I have provided my verbal waiver.
Oh, look at that.
It's refreshing.
Delicious.
That's wonderful.
Turn green yet.
The biggest problem he could encounter is the fact that we've all been holding this today. Otherwise, it's actually very clean. So thank you both very, very much.
It's been a pleasure.
Recycled tires. So,
recycled tires.
So about how many tires a year get thrown away?
You're looking at an average of 1 tyre per population, so it's around about 280 million tyres per annum.
Good
Well,
Lord.
to learn how KB Industries is making the most of your old used tires, visit them online at kbius.com. And for more information on how Fowler White makes living green a priority in everything they do, you can visit fowlerwhite.com.